Hey, what if I told you saving money has nothing to do with how much you earn? You get a raise, you spend more. Month ends, well, still zero. Sound familiar? There's a reason. The real problem isn't your income pod. It's invisible money leaks silently draining your account every month. This happens in every country, every currency tau, and most people never even realize it's happening to them. This affects people in every income bracket worldwide. Every country, every currency, same trap. The first reason you can't save? You spend first, how, and try to save whatever is left over. Income arrives tab, rent, food, phone, subscriptions, dining out co, and savings get whatever survives. Usually nothing. Bills eat everything, nothing left. If you ignore this habit, one unexpected expense, WEV, car repair, medical bill, WEV, wipes you out completely. The fix is simple and powerful. Pay yourself first before you pay anyone or anything else. The moment income arrives, move 10 to 20% to a separate savings account, HIAM, automatically, instantly, non-negotiable. Today, Raud, open a separate savings account and set one automatic transfer for your next payday. Do it now. Another massive reason you can't save Kive, big subscription creep. You're paying for things you completely forgot about. Streaming platforms, gym memberships, apps, cloud storage, news sites, creds, small monthly fees stack up to hundreds. Over a year, forgotten subscriptions silently drain enough money to fund 3 months of serious savings. The solution? Do a complete subscription audit. How? Review every single recurring charge on your bank statement. Go through last 3 months of bank statements, prune, highlight every recurring charge, ask, do I actually use this? If unused for 30 days, prune, cancel it immediately. 3, tonight, open your banking app, list every recurring charge, and cancel at least 2 you don't need anymore. Here's a cause most people deny, but emotional spending. You buy things to feel better, not because you need them. Shopping to feel better equals money trap. Stress at work, a bad day, boredom co, brain triggers a purchase to release dopamine. Temporary relief, permanent damage. Unchecked emotional spending destroys savings goals, pro. You make progress, then one bad week erases everything. The solution is the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 full days before buying anything unplanned or non-essential. See something you want to go? Add it to a wish list instead of your cart. If you still want it after 2 days, reconsider. Wish list it. Wait, then decide. Right now, create a wish list on your phone, Cave Notes app is fine by, and commit to 0 unplanned purchases this week. This one is silent but deadly, Rahab, no written budget. Most people guess where their money goes. That's the problem. Without a budget, small purchases feel harmless to you. Coffee, snacks, random apps crow, but together they consume massive amounts. Without tracking, people genuinely believe they're spending less than they are, Pala. The gap between guessing and reality is shocking. Build a zero-based budget, Pano. Every unit of income gets assigned a job before the month even begins. List income, then assign every amount. Essentials, savings, fun money call, until 0 remains unallocated. Full control, 0 guessing. This week, write next month's budget before it starts, parts, paper, spreadsheet, or a free budgeting app. Just do it. This cause is uncomfortable to hear touted, social pressure. You spend money to impress people who don't pay your bills. Upgrading your phone because others did, dining out to fit in, buying brands for status pro, all driven by external pressure, not real need. The people you're trying to impress are often broke themselves. Everyone performing wealth while nobody's actually building it. Build a personal spending values list. Only spend on what genuinely matters to your life, not anyone else's opinion. Write your top 5 financial priorities. Family, freedom, security, travel, prog. And before spending, ask, does this serve my list? Today, write your top 5 money values and put the list on your phone wallpaper. Let it guide every purchase this month. The final major cause, no savings goal. Saving for nothing specific means stopping is always too easy. No goal means no reason to keep saving. Vague intentions like, I should save more, have no deadline, no number, no urgency, so they never actually happen. Without a clear savings goal, the first temptation wins every time. Your future self pays the price for today's vagueness. Set a SMART savings goal. Oh, specific amount, specific purpose, specific deadline. Make it real, make it visible. Instead of save more, say save 3 months of expenses by next December. That's a number, a reason, and a deadline. Right now, write one savings goal. Frey, the amount, the reason, and the exact date you want to reach it. Write it down. All right, let's lock in everything. 6 causes, 6 solutions, Bell. Your personal money saving protocol starts right now. Pay yourself first the moment income arrives at Can, and audit every subscription draining your account without you knowing. Use the 48-hour rule to kill impulse buying and build a zero-based budget before every single month begins. Spend only on your personal values, not social pressure crowned, and always save toward a specific goal with a real deadline. Saving money is not about being cheap, pay up. It's about buying your future freedom while everyone else buys more stuff. Bonus tip pie, do a monthly money date with yourself. 30 minutes reviewing your numbers changes everything over time. Drop a comment below which of these 6 fixes are you starting today? I read every single one, let me know. Subscribe to Money Quill, a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.